everybody, V1.2 hitting you with another video. Just wanted to make a quick vid about my KTuner version 1.2. If you have this particular setup, just be aware that over time you may run into the issue of your connector breaking off. If there's one thing that I can tell you that I believe makes the V2 better is the fact that you don't constantly have to unplug and plug in your USB cable. And unfortunately, this happened at the worst possible time because I'm in the middle of tuning my car for race fuel. I got in contact with KTuner, sent them an email. They told me to go ahead and send it to them with the return address. So I'm making this video a little bit ahead of time just because I want to see what the process is like. I will do a follow-up video just to, comment on the service. But as of right now, I feel pretty satisfied with how they received my email. They got back in contact with me in probably 30 minutes or less. So let's see how it goes, man. Well, what do we have here? Not only was it sent back priority mail, but from start to finish took not even a week to get back to me after making. KTuner, thanks for all you do. Appreciate the product, and I definitely appreciate the fast turnaround and taking care of my issues. For everybody else, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you have a similar situation. Let's keep this thing going, man. V1.2, I'm out.